Greetings, beautiful people. Look what we have here. You see this beautiful cauliflower? I'm gonna show you how to make something incredible with this. An incredible sandwich, but we'll get to that in a minute. First off, my name is Marlon Ryson, also known as Plant-Based G. You can find me on Instagram at plantbasedg.life. Lots of dope pics of incredible food, but guess what? It's about the Credo today, baby. It's about the Credo today. When I tell you what I'm gonna do with this Credo and this sandwich, it's gonna be an emotional situation, I promise. We're gonna make an incredible spicy cauliflower chicken sandwich with your boy, Plant-Based G. So first we're gonna start off, as you can see, I already removed all of the extra leaves and greenery that you find at the bottom of your cauliflower. The first thing that I do, now we're gonna slice this baby. Now I will say, one of the issues I did have early on, and I know other people with it, had the same thing, was cutting that bad boy so it didn't fall apart. One of the things that I did learn was if you soak it in ice water overnight, it makes it a little bit sturdier. That way you'll be able to slice it and have that chicken kind of look to it in terms of the way that it's shaped and whatnot. So again, a little trick that I learned. Voila. Look at me now. Look at me now. This is gonna turn into something special, I promise you. All right, family, we are about to get busy with the different batters. You're gonna have your wet batter, then you're gonna have your dry batter. So we're gonna start off with the wet batter. Get the wet batter put together. So first, I've got my flax egg that you can see right here. All I used was a couple tablespoons of flax and actually 3 tablespoons of water for each tablespoon of flax. So with 2 of those, you're gonna have 6 tablespoons of water. So that's gonna give you kind of that egg type of substance, that binding that you need. And then also, you've got our coconut milk. So I'll use any type of plant-based milk as far as my wet batter goes. And so what I'm gonna actually do is season the wet batter. So we'll start off with some onion powder. Go a little bit of the smoked paprika, a little bit of lemon, there we go. A little bit of lemon, you can smell it. It already smells incredible. So we've got our wet batter. Now it's time to throw together the dry batter. And so I've got a special ingredient that I use for the dry batter. I've got the tapioca flour. Somewhere around 3-4 tablespoons of the tapioca flour. I'm pretty good at guesstimations. We'll add more if we need to. Of your all-purpose flour. And now we will mix these 2 bad boys together. So we've got your tapioca, we've got your all-purpose flour, a generous amount of pepper in the flour, a nice Cajun seasonal, 21 season salute. Got the chili powder, baby. Get the chili powder up in this bad boy here. Let me shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Just so you know, I have fun when I'm cooking. It's a casual situation. I wouldn't call myself a chef by no means, but I am a home chef that can throw down though. There we go. You can see the pepper. You can see the chilies. Here we go. Now I'm gonna add one last thing to it. Got your dried chilies right here. Whether it's gonna be some type of ramen dish, whether it's spaghetti, whether it's pizza, you want some type of spicy cauliflower chicken sandwich like we're doing, you can do that too. Sprinkle a little bit of this off in here. All right, baby, we're ready to ball. All right, now how can we have an incredible sandwich and not have some incredible French fries on the side? It's impossible, right? I agree. So guess what? I've got the incredible fries. Fries are simple. For me, there's 2 components that have to take place. 1, they have to be homemade, sliced and diced. 2, seasoning's gotta be crazy. So, got our fries ready. Already got the oil good to go. Just so you know, typically when it comes to frying things, I'll use either olive oil or I'll use avocado oil. So for my French fries, got enough in the bottom just to cover the tops up a little bit. My grease is ready. I don't just have coloration with my food. I have coloration with the utensils too. That's life. Life is about colors, baby. There we go. Turn this up a little bit. And now we're gonna finish up with the wet and the dry. I want to make sure this bad boy gets good and floury. Good and floury. There we go. It's ready. Look at it. Look at it, it's ready, baby. His buddy's ready to jump in the pool too. Got a little crust developing here. All right, we'll flip this bad boy over. I wish you were here with me. It's looking good, it's smelling good. Looky what we have here. Let's take a look at this. For all of those who don't think you can do a spicy cauliflower chicken situation, look at this. About to take these fries out of this joint. Get these bad boys out. There we go. This is a vegetable. Crazy. All right, yo, you ready to do this? Y'all ready to do this? All right, time for the decoration. So, as you can see here, I've got my diced and ground purple cabbage, but I got a little secret. I like to mix it with a little bit of honey mustard. All right, there you go. This is going to be the base of my sandwich. There we go. Add a little bit of our pepper and onion concoction. There we go. This beautiful cauliflower situated on this bad boy. Oh, look at us, look at us, look at us, look at us. And before we get it super cheesy, add some of this. So we're gonna get a little bit of the pepper jelly off in this bad boy. And I got some special barbecue sauce made by my man Ryan. And now the moment we've all been waiting for, the Credo cheese pour. Oh yes, oh yes, yes. Have you ever seen a sandwich get so serious in a matter of seconds? Let's put the top on the convertible. Yeah, look at that. Oh man, let's look at the insides, baby. And you tell me, you don't know what vegans eat? This is what we eat. Damn. Damn. Yo. Hey man, look. Sometimes you know you made something good. That was a slap to the face. This is good. For real, for real. No, I'm happy. I was already happy, now I'm really happy. Damn. Yo, as you can see, that spicy cauliflower chicken sandwich was amazing. It was especially amazing. You know what took it over the top? It was a Credo cheese. You know, simple. All you gotta do is throw it in the pot, melt it, get that drip on your sandwich. It's a next level situation. You wanna see more dope food like this, go to plantbasedg.life on Instagram. You'll see me throwing down with all types of stuff, just like what we made today. Much love to Credo too. When I tell you, they make my cheesy situation so different, so special. Much love to the Credo people again. Check me out, Plant-Based G. All I do is dope food creations, baby. Much love. Oh man. Yo, bro, this shit is good. Yo, I ain't even fronting. I ain't even lying. Yo, man, this shit is good, bro. God damn.